Welcome to Technically Explained. In this video, we are going to learn how to add logo as a watermark in MS PowerPoint. So let me open up my MS PowerPoint and let me select new slide and change the layout to blank presentation. Now that's done, I need to add a logo. Depending upon what logo I need, I can add that logo. So the logo I want to add today is the UET logo. So I'm going to search in images and I'm going to select that logo. So I have this logo of UET Peshawar. Let me just add this logo. I am going to select a snipping tool and I am going to clip my logo depending upon the logo that I need. So let me just clip it, and now what I will do is that I will right click on it. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to come to my presentation and I'm going to paste it, sorry. So I have pasted it here, and then I'm going to close this Google Chrome. So now I have pasted here. What I will do is that I will change this background. So let me click on color and let me click on set transparent color and let me change the background to this white background. Now next thing I am going to do is that I am going to again click on this picture, click on this format, and in color I need to come here and I need to click on in the recolor I need to click on the washout. When I click on the washout, we have this type of color, this type of picture appear. Now what I am going to do is that I am going to right click and simply say cut it so that it is saved in my clipboard of my computer. Now what I will do is that in the home tab I am going to come here and I am going to come in the view option. In the view option I have a slide master option here, so I am going to click on the slide master, and after clicking on the slide master we have slide master view appear. And then I can always close this view by clicking on close master view. Then I'm going to scroll all the way up and select my office theme master for slides 1 and 2. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to paste that image that I copied earlier. So I'm going to right click here and I'm going to select this picture. Here we go, we have a picture selected. I can adjust it now. After the required adjustment, I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to say send to back. So I'm going to send it to back. After doing this, I'm going to close this master view. So now I have closed the master view, and if you can have a look now in my PowerPoint presentation, I have this watermark logo of UT Peshawar in all my slides. Even if I select new slide, by default it has a watermark, and I can add text boxes or whatever here. For example, if I want to add text something, I can add here, but in the background I have this logo of UT Peshawar appear. So that is how you can add a logo as a watermark in PowerPoint presentation. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Technically Explained.